Hey everybody, it's John Wick, and you know what I love? Puppies and helping people. And you know what time it is? That's right, the holidays. It's the most wonderful time of the year. The air is crisp, the lights are twinkling, and everyone's feeling extra generous. The holiday season is a time for giving, and what better way to spread joy than by giving back to those in need? You know, I've been really fortunate in my life. I get to do what I love, and I get to help people along the way. But not everyone is as lucky. There are a lot of people out there who are struggling, especially during the holidays. That's why it's so important to give back. Even a small act of kindness can make a world of difference. Today, we're sharing 5 heartwarming ways you can make a difference this holiday season. We're talking about simple things that anyone can do to spread a little holiday cheer. So grab a cup of cocoa, get cozy, and let's get inspired to make this holiday season the most meaningful one yet. First up, let's talk about our furry friends. You know, the ones who love unconditionally, cuddle up on cold nights, and greet you with a wagging tail no matter what kind of day you've had. Yeah, those furry angels. During the holidays, animal shelters are often overwhelmed with animals who need a little extra love and care. Volunteering at a shelter is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Trust me on this one. You get to spend time with these amazing animals, give them the attention they crave, and maybe even help them find their forever homes. Imagine the joy of seeing a dog's tail wag for the first time in weeks, because you're there to give them a scratch behind the ears. And it's not just about walking dogs or playing with cats, although that's a huge part of it, and let's be honest, the best part. Shelters always need help with cleaning, feeding, and administrative tasks. Every little bit helps. I remember meeting this one woman at a shelter, we'll call her Sarah, who told me that volunteering was her therapy. She had a tough year, but spending time with the animals brought her so much joy and helped her heal. And you know what? You can see it in the faces of the animals too. They're grateful for the love and they give it right back tenfold. Plus, you never know, you might even meet your new best friend. I'm not saying you'll walk out of there with a new furry companion, but I'm not saying it either. Just saying be open to the possibilities, but seriously, volunteering at a shelter is a win-win situation. You get to make a difference in the lives of animals in need, and you might just find that they make a difference in your life too. It's a beautiful thing. So this holiday season, open your heart and your home to a furry friend. You won't regret it. And hey, if you're not ready for a full-time commitment, that's okay. Even a few hours a week can make a world of difference. Remember, every act of kindness counts, and these animals deserve all the love we can give them. Okay, let's talk about something else that's close to my heart. Food. I mean, who doesn't love a good meal, right? But for many families, putting food on the table is a daily struggle, especially during the holidays. Food banks play a vital role in fighting hunger and providing nourishment to those in need. They rely heavily on donations, especially during the holiday season when the demand is even higher. Now, I know what you're thinking. John, I'm not made of money. How much of a difference can I really make? And to that, I say, every little bit counts. Even a small donation can go a long way. Think about it this way. A can of soup might not seem like much, but to a family struggling to make ends meet, it could be a warm and comforting meal. It's a reminder that someone cares, that they're not alone. I remember hearing a story about a little girl who donated her allowance to a food bank. It was only a few dollars, but she was so proud to be able to help others. That's the thing about giving. It's not about the amount, it's about the intention. And you know what's even better than donating food? Getting your friends and family involved. Host a food drive at your workplace, school, or even in your neighborhood. It's a fun and easy way to collect a lot of donations and make a real impact. So this holiday season, let's all open our pantries and our hearts to those who are less fortunate. Let's work together to ensure that everyone has a seat at the table and a plate full of delicious food. Remember, sharing is caring. And together, we can fight hunger one can, one box, one meal at a time. Chapter 3. Be a holiday hero. Sponsor a family in need. You know, growing up, the holidays were always my favorite time of year. The anticipation, the decorations, the presents, but most importantly, the feeling of togetherness. But for families struggling financially, the holidays can be a stressful and overwhelming time. That's where sponsorship programs come in. These programs connect generous individuals or families with families in need, allowing them to provide gifts, necessities, and a little bit of holiday magic. Imagine the joy of knowing that you've made a child's holiday wish come true, or the relief a parent feels knowing that their children will have warm clothes and a special meal on their table. It's truly a heartwarming experience. I remember once sponsoring a family with a young daughter who loved art. Seeing her face light up when she opened her box of art supplies was priceless. It was a reminder that sometimes, the most meaningful gifts aren't the most expensive, but the ones that come from the heart. And the best part? Sponsorship programs are everywhere. You can find them through local charities, churches, and community centers. They often provide you with a family's wish list, making it easy to choose gifts that are both thoughtful and needed. So, this holiday season, consider becoming a holiday hero for a family in need. Your generosity can make all the difference in the world, bringing joy, hope, and a little bit of holiday magic into their lives. Remember, it's not about grand gestures, but about the small acts of kindness that can brighten someone's day and make the holidays a little merrier for everyone. Chapter 4. Sharing the gift of play. Participate in a toy drive. Okay, let's talk about toys. Remember the pure joy of receiving a special toy as a child? That feeling of excitement and wonder is something we should never take for granted. Unfortunately, not all children have the opportunity to experience that joy. That's where toy drives come in, spreading holiday cheer and bringing smiles to children who need it most. Participating in a toy drive is like becoming Santa's little helper. You get to choose toys that you know will bring joy to children, knowing that you're making a real difference in their lives. I once participated in a toy drive where we delivered bikes to children in need. Seeing their faces light up as they received their bikes was a moment I'll never forget. It was a reminder that something as simple as a toy can bring immeasurable happiness. And the best part, toy drives are everywhere during the holidays. You can find them at schools, community centers, businesses, and even fire stations. Just look for the donation boxes or check online for local toy drives in your area. So this holiday season, let's all channel our inner child and remember the joy of giving. Let's work together to ensure that every child experiences the magic of receiving a special gift. Remember, every toy donated is a smile created, a heart warmed, and a childhood memory made. Chapter 5. Shop local, give back, supporting businesses that care. Now I know we've been talking a lot about traditional ways to give back, but here's another idea: shop local. That's right, supporting local businesses is a fantastic way to give back to your community, especially during the holiday season. Think about it, when you shop local, you're not just buying a product or service, you're investing in your community. You're supporting the dreams and livelihoods of your neighbors, the ones who make your town or city so special. And here's a little secret: many local businesses are also passionate about giving back. They often partner with local charities, donate a portion of their proceeds, or organize their own initiatives to support their communities. I remember this one time I was shopping for a birthday present for my friend Portia at this adorable little bookstore in my neighborhood. Turns out, the owner donates a percentage of her profits to a local literacy program. How cool is that? So this holiday season, make a conscious effort to shop local. Explore the unique shops and businesses in your community. You'll be amazed by the incredible products and services you'll find, and you'll be making a real difference in the lives of your neighbors. Remember, when you shop local, you're not just buying a gift, you're giving back to your community and spreading holiday cheer. It's a win-win situation. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 heartwarming ways to give back this holiday season. I hope you feel inspired to spread a little joy and make a difference in your community. Remember, no act of kindness is too small. Together, we can make this holiday season a little brighter for everyone. Whether you're volunteering your time, donating to a worthy cause, or simply spreading kindness wherever you go, every little bit counts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And hey, if you have any other ideas for giving back, share them in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make the world a kinder, more compassionate place. Happy holidays, everyone.